Assalamu alaikum students. In the previous class we completed the chapter The Wise Caliph, and now we are going to do the exercise of RTC. But before doing the exercise, let's revise all the important points of the chapter. So you know that the chapter is about a story of Caliph Harun al-Rashid, and Caliph Harun al-Rashid was a famous Muslim ruler, and he was known and respected for his justice and wisdom. So in his court one day a dispute was brought, and the dispute was between a rich man and a beggar, and both of them were fighting over a beautiful white horse. So the Caliph listened to the statements of both the men, and both men were saying that both men were claiming and swearing that the horse was them. So the Caliph applied an amazing trick, and he ordered both the men to place their hands on the horse one by one. So the reaction of the horse showed that the real master of the horse was the rich man, and the beggar was a liar. But at this time the Caliph showed a kind behavior with the beggar, and he did not punish him. He forgave him. And on the other hand, he told the beggar to beg forgiveness of the rich man. And rich man also readily forgave the beggar, and he also gave him a handful of gold coins. He also helped him. So now come to the exercise of RTC. This is the first RTC exercise. So this is the first exercise I'm writing here, RTC number 1. So these are the lines for RTC number 1. What are the lines? Lines are these two men here are fighting over this horse. Each of them claims and swears that this horse is his. So first of all, what you will have to do? You have to read the lines carefully. Then understand the questions. Read the questions carefully and understand them. Name the speaker, the listener, and the lesson. Question number 1 is very easy. You all know the answer. The speaker is the Qazi, and the listener is the Caliph. You can also write the people of the court, but basically the listener is the Caliph. And the name of the lesson is the Wise Caliph. Question number 2. What was the dispute? So the dispute was over a beautiful white horse between two men. You can also write here a rich man and a beggar after a comma. Then you will write that both of them were fighting over the horse, and each of them was claiming and swearing that that horse was his. So here is the answer of what was the dispute. Then question number 3 is who settled the dispute? What do you know about him? So who settled the dispute, girls? You know the answer. Caliph Harun al-Rashid settled the dispute. And now when a question has two parts, you can see here that there are two parts of question. Who settled the dispute and what do you know about him? So when a question has two parts, change the paragraph when you are writing the next part, when you are doing the next part. So change the line or change the para, then write here what do you know about him, what do you know about the Caliph Harun al-Rashid. So write down about Caliph Harun al-Rashid like he was a famous Muslim ruler. Caliph Harun al-Rashid was a famous Muslim ruler, and he was known and respected for his justice and for his wisdom. And he would disguise himself. At night he would disguise himself and go through the streets of Baghdad. He mingled with the common people in order to gain the first-hand knowledge of problems and difficulties of people. So these are the answers of RTC number 1. Now come to the RTC 2. The horse belongs to him. Give the horse to its master. So first recognize who said these lines, who uttered, who spoke these lines. So who spoke these lines? Yes, the Caliph Harun al-Rashid spoke these lines. Now read the questions. Name the speaker and the lesson. So the speaker of the lines is the Caliph Harun al-Rashid. The lesson name or the name of the lesson is the wise Caliph. And here also remember a thing, that apply inverted comma when you are writing any name. If you are writing the name of a speaker, so apply inverted commas like the Caliph Harun al-Rashid, Caliph Harun al-Rashid. And if you are writing the lesson name, so write here the wise Caliph. So apply inverted commas. Now the question number 2 is, who was the master of the horse? What did he tell the speaker? Now again there are two parts of the question. So change the paragraph after doing the first part of the question. The master, who was the master of the horse? The rich man was the master of the horse. Now change the paragraph. What did he tell the speaker? So for this question you will have to write the statement of the rich man. And who was the speaker? Speaker was the Caliph Harun al-Rashid. So you will write, the rich man told the Caliph that morning he was coming to the city gate when he saw the beggar limping along the road. He stopped him and asked for a ride up to the city gate. He was lame, so the rich man felt sorry for him and gave him ride up to the city gate. But when they reached the city gate, the beggar refused to dismount and claimed that the horse was his. So this is the statement of rich man, and you will write here. Now come to the question number 3. Question number 3 is, how did the speaker discover the real owner of the horse? So the speaker, the Caliph Harun al-Rashid, discovered the real owner of the horse by applying an amazing trick, or by applying a marvelous trick. You can also write by applying a simple trick. But remember, you will have to reply the question accordingly. If there is how, so reply how. If there is who, so reply who. Don't write just the words. Reply or answer accordingly, according to the question, according to the words of the question. So reply how by saying by applying, by having, by acquiring, etc. So the speaker, the Caliph Harun al-Rashid, discovered the real owner of the horse by applying an amazing trick. He asked both the men to place their hands on the horse one by one. And the horse liked the touch of rich man, but it did not like the touch of the beggar's hand. So the reaction of horse showed that the rich man was its real owner. So read the chapter carefully and reply the answers. You will have to do these two exercises in your register. Inshallah, I will see your register. So this class ends here, this chapter ends here. In the next class, inshallah, we will start new chapter. Till then, take care and be kind with others.